Hey folks, Dave Ashenbrenner. Welcome back to my shop. Today I've got a final installment that I want to show you on the Dunstall 810 Norton Commando tank. And this one turned out real nice, and I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos about polishing. You can get away with some anomalies in a aluminum tank. If you polish it, it will actually hide a lot of the little ripples or whatever if it's a little bit imperfect. But when you paint it shiny black, gloss black, you're not getting away with anything. So this is the tank. We're going to get it in the light a little different because it is kind of hard to see. So I'm just going to kind of spin it around so you get a scope of what's going on. This has 3 or 4 coats of it's what they call a base coat, clear coat type paint job. So it has a base coat of black. It's made to be clear coated over the top of. And I'll show you some photographs and some images, still images of it when I painted it while it was on the stand. See, if you look real close on here, you'll see some of the body lines pop on here. There's a little body line that's about an inch below the top corner, and then it dives down into the side here, the bottom. They meet and they come up. This is another line up here. The top line comes around the back and goes up the other edge. And this is extremely hard to do in aluminum. Pounding out all those little body lines in there. It's just an extreme job. And this tank wasn't cheap. But if you're looking for authenticity, this is really the only way to get a Norton Dunstall 810 tank. So you'll see here the chevrons as I spin it around. And we wet sanded a little bit over the top of the Norton to bury the Norton. It's really impossible to put enough. I shouldn't say impossible, but I don't think it's very advisable to put too much clear on anything. But we kind of mitigated that, what I call telegraphing of the decal on there. That was put on the black before we clear coated it on here. So just wanted to show you kind of what we do, what kind of work we do. We taped off the bottom of it, so we got that nice aluminum. That'll help light up the motor, give it a little bit of light on top of the motor. And these are welded in little studs. These are your fuel bungs, and the rest of this is to fit. All of these are fit around the isolastics of the Norton Commando and the frame that splays out from the backbone on this particular frame. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming back into my shop, and if anybody has any questions or they have a tank that they want replicated in aluminum, once again, thanks for stopping into my shop. Dave Ashenbrenner, Legendary Motorcycles. Thank you.